Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Evelyn and today we'll be making this delicious vegetable egg sauce. It's so easy to make, it's so flavorful, and it's packed with lots of nutrients. I paired mine with some fried plantains, but you can pair yours with whatever you like. So if you're new here or haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also give the video a thumbs up. So without saying more, let's get started. Here are all the ingredients we'll be using to make this recipe, and I've also listed them in the description box to make it easy for you to recreate yours. And if you do, please don't forget to let me know how yours turned out in the comment section. I'll start by seasoning my eggs with some black pepper and some salt, and I'm using 4 eggs for this recipe. Then I'll whisk it together. Over to my pan, I'll add some oil, and I'm using olive oil for this recipe. And once it's hot enough, I'll add some sliced onions and some minced garlic. And I'm going to saute this for about a minute or two, or until the onions are translucent. Now I'm going to be adding 1 chopped habanero pepper for some heat and 1 chopped tomato, and I'm going to saute these for about a minute or two as well. Next, I'll be adding some shredded carrots. These are store-bought, but you can make yours at home using a box grater. I'm going to stir it and allow this cook for about 3 minutes to give the carrots some time to cook. I'll also be adding some chopped bell peppers. These are orange and red bell peppers, but you can use whichever you like. I'll stir this and allow this cook for about a minute. And if you haven't already subscribed or given the video a thumbs up, please take a moment to do so. I'll season with 1 seasoning cube and some salt to taste. Now you don't need too much for this recipe. I'll stir that in and we'll go over to the next step. Next, I'll gently pour in my eggs. Right after pouring in my eggs, I'll be adding some roughly chopped spinach, and I'll give the eggs about a minute or two on low heat to set before stirring everything. Now after about a minute, I'll gently stir in everything, and after that your vegetable egg sauce that's easy to make and packed with lots of nutrients is ready to be served. Guys, I wish you could smell the aroma from my kitchen right now, and it tasted so good, and you can serve it with whatever you like. So I served mine with some fried plantains and everyone loved it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.